Gracie.
Good morning, today, so
Alright.
What you want?
Excuse me?
Listen, what you want?
Where you...
You know, nobody call me.
Boy, you show off.
Yeah.
Papa Jesus.
What soup there?
What soup?
Where you cook? Yeah, that where you cook.
Kentucky. If I saw your
Just
top.
sit over there, you know. Come to some stuff, you know.
Yeah. Kentucky. Me there make breakfast, you know. And me know say...
Me come. Me drive come, cause me hungry.
Me there make breakfast, you know, and say, me see you over there, so me make you breakfast and hurry up.
What you make? Egg and saltfish?
You love your belly too much. You know how much you aki? You didn't provide any left over here? You plan aki to America? You plan aki to America?
If we did there Florida, I would have.
But aki and saltfish. I'm lucky. We see you over there. We see you over there at work. And I say make cook some breakfast and make you get some. And you disappear. Me look over there and I don't see the van and I say wait there. You disappear, you not even say then I'm the over here. Yeah, I see you. I'm here.
You know where curly me, I say, she know wake yet.
No wait, man.
You say I sleep till 10 o'clock, you know how long I'm gonna do that? 10 o'clock, no nice.
So that's it? You know do they do?
Awesome.
I just trouble me, I trouble. Oh boy. No sir, they are chill out. But that true me not see you, me I say, oh you gonna get the food. Where Angie?
She over there.
Okay, me I go make sure some fair too.
Yeah.
Alright then. So yeah, come now.
Yeah.
Oh, you're super. So Gracie did a call me back. I mean I get to answer the phone. Hear me and her now. Gracie, what serve too long, serve too master. You see,
I know, so you say. The saying say stay too long, serve too master.
Okay, alright, me never remember what it say. But
who say then if you don't know what it say?
But who cares? You
Too enough.
Enough. Are you rub off on me? Where there so long? You know, say you come here and you come back over here and you collect your food. You come back over here and you don't collect your food. You don't want.
Come back over there.
So you never say you come back now and then have the truck and we're not gonna bring it over.
You never come back. It was creative.
So you cook?
No.
So oh God, I'm tired. I'm back at early, so that's why I don't come over there. And me tell her, send me, I just try to say, and say me kind of want me over there.
You not come no way, because you're there, you have to roll off there, you not people that come there tomorrow, me have to
Me I go come, but you know send me address, me don't know where you're there. Me tell her, say send me address from yesterday, and you know send it.
Talk, you know, wife, me no remember. Think
So,
I can remember everything, so man.
so because you know I'm here, your yard, you know give me your address. So turn on your dirty yard, me not have to come over there.
Lord of mercy. How about this? If you turn on my dirty yard.
Yeah. Turn on your dirty yard. Not have to come there. Because I mean first should I get the address. And we can better say how much.
You just have put in full here in your head.
It no matter. Me tell you so when I left it just and me that go come.
You don't come. You don't.
10 o'clock when they are here just
I put in full something in your head.
from 10 o'clock till almost 7, almost 6 o'clock yesterday we left there. Crazy. I can't go so I spend my whole Saturday when I come exhausted, my back hurt me, and I have to come home come cook soup.
See you just there. Not even remember nothing.
Alright. Later, me come. But your soup and your breakfast over here. And if I me have to carry come get and I go
You
eat.
come no man and tell them say you carry food, come give me that you all about. You know, say I'm a food come and sell it this way, you carry food, come give me man.
No, me say me I go come, but you tell me say you come back over here.
I know, but I just get tied up, Dana.
Alright, me so come.
Mm-hmm.